Now we are going to explain the expression for the couple acting on a electric dipole in a uniform magnetic field. So this is the uniform magnetic field. What is uniform magnetic field? Uniform magnetic field means the electric field. The uniform electric field means the electric field is same at any point. The field is same at any point. The field strength is same at any point. So that point is called uniform electric field. This is uniform electric field. For example, this is also uniform electric field here. This is also uniform electric field. Okay, na? Here at any point, take any point, uniform electric field is strength. Field strength is same. So that's why parallel lines, nothing but parallel electric field lines is uniform electric field. Here we are going to discuss about couple acting. What is mean by couple? Couple means nothing but a torque. Torque. So electric field, electric dipole. So electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. So this is a uniform electric field. So this is uniform electric field. So in this uniform electric field, we are taking a electric dipole. This is my electric dipole. Okay, no? So this is electric dipole. So electric dipole having minus q and plus q charges. Okay. What happened here? What happened? So in this uniform electric field, we are taking the electric dipole. Automatically, two forces are developed here. The two forces are acting here. One is F is equal to QE, other one is F is equal to minus QE. So why? Because here this is my uniform electric field. This is my uniform electric field. So in this electric field, we are taking a electric dipole. So electric dipole having plus Q charge and minus Q charge. The dipole having plus Q charge and minus Q charge. Okay. Here this is plus. This is minus. What happened? This plus, this is minus. So the force of attraction in this direction. Here this is minus q charge. This is minus q charge. This is plus charge. Plus. Here minus plus the force of attraction in this direction. So two forces are acting here, but they are not in opposite direction. Okay, they are not in exactly opposite direction. For example, here two forces are developed. The two forces are acting. This is a point. This is a midpoint here. So here F1 force is here. Take F2 force. The two forces is there now. So the two forces are having 10 newtons. Here also 10 newtons. 10 newtons. 10 newtons. Okay, now what happened? What about the net force? Net force is 0. Net force is equal to 0. Why? Because two forces are acting. Two same forces are acting. Opposite direction. The net force is 0. But here the two forces are acting different directions. How? One force is acting here. Force F1 force other force F2 force is here. What happened? For example, this is my electric dipole. Okay, now one force is acting here. Other force is acting here. Force attack out. Automatically this electric dipole rotates like. Automatically electric dipole rotates. When two forces are acting on the body, that body rotates. So this is called couple. That is called couple. What is mean by couple or torque? Torque means two forces are acting at a point. Two forces are acting at a point and the forces direction, the direction of forces are different. Okay, now the two forces are acting at a point at the same time. The body get rotates. A body in all rotate కావాలి. So the body get rotates. That is called torque. Now that is called torque. For example, take tap. Tap. We are taking a tap. This is a tap. Here we are using two forces. We are acting two forces. Two forces are acting at a time. Okay, na? Two forces are acting at a time, but the direction of force is different. ఇలా ఉంటుంది. Same with the tap get rotates. Automatically rotate. So that is called torque. That is called torque. Two forces are acting at a time with different directions. With different directions, the body get rotates. The body get rotates. That is called torque. The name of the torque, or is also called moment of couple. So here also these two forces, F is equal to plus QE, F is equal to minus, these two forces are acting opposite directions. What happened? These two forces developed torque. These two forces developed torque. So that's why here he is asking couple acting. Couple another acting avutundannadu. That is the reason. Couple acting. Endu couple acting undi? Because electric dipole is in uniform electric field. Uniform electric field in direction only. Here some angle theta is there. This is the angle theta here. The electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Uniform electric field at angle theta, with angle theta along. So that's why here couple is developed. Okay, so I know what is the distance between these two charges. What is a small distance? To couple dipole means, so 2a. This is the 2a. Here also theta, we are taking here also theta. Okay, what happened here? We consider a electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Two forces. Next one, two forces are acting with different directions. They developed torque. So therefore torque is equal to torque or moment of couple, both are same. Torque is equal. What is the formula? Torque is equal, this is a mathematical formula, force into perpendicular distance. How? Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. How to get this formula of torque? For example, let the same example here. F1 force is developed here, F2 force is developed. F1, F2 forces. These two forces, this is the midpoint here. For example, take one force. Take any one force for this course. For example, we take one force. This is a fixed point here. This is the fixed point here. This is force F1. This is fixed point. For example, door, like a door, fixed point. Here force is acting in this direction. Okay, na? If force in the direction acting, automatically this body rotates. Like this, which means torque is developed. So how the torque is developed? The torque is equal to nothing but force into this distance. Force into this distance. So there is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular. That's why that formula is force into perpendicular distance. Distance is more, so torque is more. If the distance, the torque is less. Okay. So that's why what is our formula here? Force is equal to, torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. So therefore, torque. What is torque? Torque is equal to force. Force. Take any force. F is equal to QE or F is equal to minus QE. Either force. Any force is force. So force F is equal to QE into perpendicular distance. What is our perpendicular distance? So this force, this is the perpendicular distance here. This is the perpendicular distance. Here this force, this is the perpendicular. E force can is a perpendicular distance. E force can is a perpendicular distance. That's why force is equal to take F is equal to QE. What is our perpendicular distance here? So perpendicular distance is 2a sin theta. This is 2a. So this is this is 2a cos theta. This is 2a sin theta. So therefore, I am writing here perpendicular distance 2a sin theta. 2a sin theta. This the force is F. F is equal and perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance. F is equal to tau is equal to QE into 2a sin theta. Therefore, I am writing 2aq into E into sin theta. 2aq into E into sin theta. So tau is equal to, what is 2aq? 2aq is P now. So moment of couple. Here the couple is dipole moment. This is the electric dipole moment. Dipole moment P undi kada. This is the dipole moment P. So dipole moment 2aq is equal to, we know that P into E sin theta. Here E sin theta. So it is nothing but tau is equal to, we are writing P cross E. Tau is equal to P cross E. This is the couple acting on a dipole in uniform electric field. This is the couple acting in a uniform electric field. Okay. This is very important for 4 marks.